Hey there! Today, we will show you how to know more about your Windows PC specs. This can be done by using About PC, by using System Information, or by using a third-party app called HWInfo. So, let's dive into the easy guide on how to check your Windows PC specs. The first method is using the built-in About PC feature on Windows. It's quick and straightforward. Here's how you do it. Click the Start button, then on Settings. From here, click on System, then scroll all the way down on the right pane and click on About. Here you will find essential information about your PC, including your processor, installed RAM, and system type. Now, let's explore the second method using the System Information tool. This provides more detailed information about your system. Here's what you need to do. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. The System Information window will open, providing a wealth of details about your hardware, software, and components. For our third method, we'll use a third-party tool called HWInfo. It's a powerful and comprehensive system information tool. Here's how to use it. Download and install HWInfo from their official website. Launch the application, and you'll be greeted with a detailed overview of your system, including CPU, GPU, RAM, and much more. HWInfo is a fantastic option for those who want an even more detailed breakdown of their system specs. Plus, it provides real-time monitoring for hardware components.